So you made leche flan this Christmas. Don't throw away your egg whites. Make something creative and make something fun, just like this. A Christmas village meringue and a forest meringue.
You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Taglish. Let's join Romilo in his small kitchen.
Hello, magandang gabi. Your Kuya Uncle here. This shooting was not planned. But ito ang istorya. I baked yesterday pastéis de nata, or we can call them the Portuguese rendition of our leche flan in the Philippines. Of course, leche flan yan, it's just milk and egg yolk, yema at saka gatas. That left me with egg whites. Ano gagawin ko rito? I would feel guilty throwing this away. That's why I thought of making a meringue. Meringue. So, hindi lang yon because it's Christmas. By the way, if you're watching this during Christmas, Merry Christmas. Hindi lang basta meringue. We will be making Christmas Tree Meringue. Ano ang kailangan natin? Just sugar. Marami akong sugar kasi gumagawa na ako ng maraming kopya. And color, food color, and a piping bag. Just that. And an oven. Or malaking rice cooker. Or any cooking implement or any cooking. This procedure requires just 110 degrees Celsius. Mababa lang. So any cooker, maybe rice cooker, I think will do. Try it. So, gawa na natin. In addition to the ingredients that I earlier mentioned, we also need a stabilizer, which for my case would be cream of tartar. Tip, kung wala kayong cream of tartar, use vinegar or lemon juice. Kunti lang. A small amount of vinegar will not interfere with your recipe. Kunti lang. 1/4 of a teaspoon. You can taste it. I've got here 6 egg whites, which would require... I think that was not good on the camera. We'll add a dash of cream of tartar and start whisking.
Once we see bubbles, we can add sugar. Ideally 1/4 cup for every egg. Or twice the volume. Or twice the weight. I had to mute the mixer here, but we have to add the sugar gradually. Or at intervals. Just like what I'm doing here.
There's still sugar in it. It's not yet, the sugar is not yet totally dissolved. Once we can still feel grits of sugar, we have to beat further. And once we get stiff and shiny peaks, it's the time to stop. That's what I learned. Not yet. This is good. Yeah, this is good. Look. Now this is exciting. Let's add the color.
This is very light green. This is not the green that we want. We want a pine green. So we'll add more color.
We can never attain a tree green from this, so we'll do a trick.
We're going to use a small amount of the meringue, color it with a darker shade, and apply this on the sides of the piping bag.
And I have two shades of green here. So we'll use the darker green to highlight the tree, to give it that depth. To give that darker green streaks on the tree, we'll apply this inside the piping bag.
Our meringue begins to drip. I think this is not stiff enough. I'm smelling the sauce here.
Now, let's simulate first. Not bad. They need to be beaten further. Yeah.
Perhaps 3 to 5 more minutes of beating until they're stiff and they
This is
stand
messy.
by themselves. This also means we've lost our darker shades of green. But at least they're stiff now. They now stand as trees. Do they look like trees now?
I was a bit nervous. I didn't know I was able to do this. But it was fun. Look at this. This is not fun. What do you call this? Into the oven now for 1 hour at just 110. Yeah. We cannot use high heat because it will discolor the green trees. They will turn brown. So it should be as low as possible. Low, but enough to cook. Welcome to day 2. I left them to cool down in the oven overnight. So look at this. Do they really look like Christmas tree? My friends on Facebook said they look like something else. And these are their comments.
Let's make a winter landscape, a forest of Christmas trees, draped by snow. It's confectioner's sugar, which I made myself. It's just ground sugar with cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch for every cup of sugar. And in solution B, Christmas Village.
Voila! My creative works from the excess egg white. So don't throw away your egg white. Give respect to the chickens. Go on. Make a meringue. It's too beautiful to eat. So, I'm eating a fallen tree.
Thank you for joining me here today, your Korean uncle here in Holland. If you enjoyed what you've just seen, don't forget to subscribe or better yet, share. Ibida natin ang ating pagkain sa buong mundo. Until next time, and Dios Party. If you're watching this during the Christmas time, Merry Christmas and all the best. Take care.